Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Citywide.Kb and I'm coming back with another POV. In the daytime, my boy. This is my first POV in the Type S. I'm gonna catch y'all in the video.
I can't ride up in no charge. Got the wheel like Jimmy Johnson. I can't go like Paul Walker. We take engine 312 at the TL. Let's go off.
It's probably where I'm gonna start off the POV rich here. I ain't even gonna hold you. Goddamn first POV in the Type S. I don't even know what the fuck to say, boy. Go ahead, But yeah, though, man. First POV in the Type S. I had to come in the daytime, shoot this in the daytime for y'all young boys. Shit, other than that, gango. Honestly, I just been staying out the way, my boy. You know?
No, for real.
I know some people gonna get mad at that I just fucking. It's not a fucking Mopar, those are not real. Eat my dick, nigga. Other than that, I don't know, twin. I don't know. I took a little cool hiatus on YouTube just to get my mind right. Just to, yeah, basically just get my mind right. Focus on what's in front of me, honestly. And, honestly, not overstress and overwhelm myself, because shit, I tend to do those things, and I don't need to keep doing those things. It's not worth it. But I've been slacking on the content, my boy. I know it. And honestly, I just don't want to be repetitive with the same content I did with the last car. And with this car, shit, I just want to do some new shit. That's why I ain't do the intake manifold video or the cold air intake video, because honestly, bro, it's repetitive. Yeah, I be printing out views, but shit, it's fucking repetitive. I don't like doing it because it's not authentic. And honestly, it wouldn't be me. I probably goddamn regurgitate the same goddamn BS I said in the last fucking video, but it's neither here nor there. So shit, with this car, I'm just gonna take it as how I come. I'm not trying to be the fastest with this. I'm not trying to be the coolest, the lowest, the meanest, greenest, bro. I just want to do what's I just want to do what's best for me, my boy. I just want to do me. God damn it. I feel like goddamn it, Cody, boy. You know, off Surf's up, goddamn, hey. Whatever tomorrow brings, I'll be there. But other than that, I appreciate y'all for all the growth y'all have been showing the young nigga, my boy. Hey, shouts out to all the new subs. What's good with you? I'm in the Type S now, my boy. All the OGs know. Man, I had the UA6 game on lock. Until the motherfucker, hey, I don't know, maybe it was perfect timing, like Shador Sanders be saying. Maybe it was perfect timing. God damn, this sun is blinding a nigga eyes. Other than that, I love this fucking car, bro. It's just like the last car, but better. I can shift all the way down in the fucking first, bro. The same fucking thing I was trying to do with that other bullshit software that they wouldn't show me how to do it, but you know, it's neither here or there. So I will be using the actual goddamn software this time. I will be going with K-Tuner. I don't know if I said that in the last video or not, but I probably have. But I will be tuning this thing with K-Tuner. Not no goddamn HTSK. That's how we smoke over here. But I ain't doing none of that. And as far as mods, my boy, like I said, I'm gonna take it a day at a time. But comparing the two, the 06 versus the 07, even though it's a year difference, probably not even that, probably 11 months difference. Motherfucker, hey, steering feels a hell of a lot more tighter, my boy. I could do this in the other car, just feel like that motherfucker going like this. Not because the goddamn steering is loose or nothing like that, but I guess this is more sport tune where shit is more goddamn direct, where you put more fucking force into the turn, goddamn. I don't fucking know. I don't know. I'm trying to get in some good pulls, some good little pulls, but I'm also trying to yap at the same time. So it's kind of hard. Go ahead, Beam, you fucking stopped. This guy. Come on, dude, this fucking guy. And it doesn't auto shift up for me, so when I want to rev hang and let that bitch bang, it will be. Oh, I thought I seen some different shit, my boy. I ain't gonna hold you. I thought that nigga was on the flash. Nah, there's just a dirt ring around that motherfucker though. But like I was saying though, man, this motherfucker don't auto upshift, barely auto downshifts. This is basically what the fuck I was looking for. I got what the fuck I was looking for. I'm basically driving my damn dream car. I honestly am. I got this on my vision board, same spec, black on gray seats. Not with the rips though, but you know, the base type it, not, can't get it fucked up. Type S ain't no base, but you know, basic black on black type S. And I got it. Cashed out on that motherfucker, why? I was supposed to be goddamn upload a motherfucking POV for y'all boys. But I've been slacking. I done had this car for damn near 2, going on 3 months. I fucking love it. Only thing, honestly, I had to fix on this motherfucker was an O2 sensor, a PCV valve, a rear cam cap seal. Those are the only 3 things that I had to fix on this motherfucker. Now, other than that, I just added some shit on this bitch. Like the goddamn intake manifold. I didn't need that shit. But I wasn't hell no. I was gonna goddamn, nope. How the fuck is this little ass country road got all these little motherfuckers on it, man? They don't make no goddamn sense. Ooh, that Alpha sexy as hell, bro. Damn, I said I was gonna start recording through this shit, but I'm probably not gonna even edit this shit out, gang, go. Fuck it. Shit got my head hurting this shit, I'll be damned. That ruby red? I think it is. Down in the first. Crazy, bro. But yeah, though, like I said, it's more than likely the next thing I'm gonna do to this motherfucker, it's gonna be all my mounts, all my motor mounts and transmission mounts, all of those. It's gonna be all my lower suspension. I wanna do all my suspension at once, but I ain't got it like that, my nigga. I ain't got it like that. Not right now, at least. Gotta be delusional as fuck right now. As far as like the whole suspension wise, yeah, dawg, I need to rebuild this motherfucker. I be hearing clanks and clunks and shit. It's still solid. It still ride like a cloud somewhat, but I need another daily for me to do that. I want to sit this car down and completely tear it down. Take out the engine, take out all the suspension. Damn near turn this back into a brand new car. Now you got some people out there saying, well, why would you put all that money into this old 20-year-old ass car when you could put the same money into a new ass Acura of the same, you know, same heritage? I guess the TLX. I'll be damned if I get an ILX. They cool, but I don't want one. The TLXs is cool, dog, but that 10-speed they got in them. Don't get me wrong, Honda doing what they're doing, and they know what they're doing. But nah, dog. They got so many transfer case problems and transmission problems, you know. I'm just gonna steer clear from that, buddy. Just lost my train of thought because I thought I seen 12 up there, boy. Ain't no fucking weed, boy. A lot of shit is about to change, man. A lot of shit is about to change. Shit, as you can tell, I have invested into some new machinery, my boy. Shit is a little bit delayed. Don't even get about that. It's from Temu. Shh, don't tell nobody I said that, but look out there on screen so I can see when my motherfucking shit on point or not. Might be. Yeah, there might be a T-Rex behind me. But yeah, though, man, I can't love this car much more. Unless it had all-wheel drive, then I could. But, bro, it shifts a hell of a lot quicker than the goddamn 04 through 06, and it's only 1 year older comparing to the 06, in my case. But honestly, bro, at this point, I'm just fucking yapping. 12 ain't going nowhere. Seem like he goddamn following this motherfucker for some odd reason. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the fuck on up out of here. Ease on down to the crib. And I'm gonna catch y'all niggas when I catch you.
Bye, have a great time.
I'm coming like Rylo.